In today's video, I'll show you how to update drivers for Windows 11. So let's get started. So how we're going to do this is first is that we're going to go into our taskbar and then we're going to search. And from here, you just simply want to type on update. And then you should have this option. It says check for updates on system settings. You just simply want to open that. And then this would pop up right here. So now all you have to do from here is to check for updates and make sure that you don't have any major updates available. If you have one, then make sure to install the update right now. And then once it's installed, then you have now updated your system. Or it could be that you are looking for specific drivers. In that case, then you can just go and close this. And in this one, we'll be going into device manager in the taskbar again. So we're going to type in a device manager right here in the control panel. And this would pop up right here. So once you have this, you can now go to a specific part or a device here in your computer. Like for example, in your disk drive, you can expand that and then you'd now be able to see all the drivers or disks you have available. And then you can now right click on them. And from here, you can click on update driver. You can click here on search automatically for drivers, and from here you can see that the best drivers is currently installed. So if you have one that needs installing, kindly install it immediately. Or you could also go for browse your computer for drivers. So if you have a manual update available, you can go for this option. Same goes for your other devices right here, like mouse, keyboards, monitor, and so on. Now, what if you are looking for your GPU drivers? Well, that would depend if you have the Intel, AMD, or maybe nvidia. In my case, I have an AMD graphics card, so I just need to go for my AMD software, which is this one. If you have nvidia, then you can just search it up on your system and see if you have the app installed, or you could go for Google and then you could go for nvidia. Let's say you have RTX 4060 driver update. And then you should have this result right here wherein you could download it from the NVIDIA's website or from your manufacturer's website in here. So yeah, that's it on how you can do it. In my case, I am in AMD, so this is how it would look like for me. And I can see my driver and software here. So in my case, I am currently up to date, so no driver update is needed. So that's it on how you could update your drivers on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.